Did you know that the Sallie House in Atchison, Kansas is often considered one of the most haunted places in America? This unassuming, quaint house holds a chilling history, one that continues to send shivers down the spine of the bravest paranormal enthusiasts. In the late 19th century, this house was the residence of a local doctor. One fateful day, a frantic mother arrived with her 6-year-old daughter Sallie, who was writhing in agony from a severe appendicitis. The doctor, realizing the urgency, began the operation before the anesthesia fully took effect. The terrified and agonizing screams of little Sallie filled the house until they abruptly stopped. She died on the operating table, in a house of healing turned house of horrors. After this tragic event, the house seemed to take on a life of its own. The first gory detail that cannot be ignored is the violent physical attacks on the residents. The Pickman family, who lived there in the early 90s, reported being scratched, pushed, and even having objects thrown at them. Tony Pickman, the father, bore the brunt of these attacks with deep, bloody scratches appearing on his body out of nowhere. The second gory detail is the hauntingly realistic apparitions of Sallie. She's been spotted by numerous residents and visitors, often appearing as a harmless, playful child. However, her harmless facade quickly dissipates as she wreaks havoc, moving objects, turning off lights, and even starting fires. The innocent apparition, it seems, holds a sinister grudge. The third, and perhaps the most disturbing detail, is the presence of other malevolent entities. Paranormal investigators have reported interactions with spirits far more menacing than Sallie. The Sallie House continues to stand as an eerie reminder of its disturbing past. A house of healing turned into a playground for the paranormal, a little girl's painful death turned into a chilling legacy, and a dwelling for the living turned into a realm for the restless dead. The Sallie House, with its bloody scratches, haunting apparitions, and malevolent spirits, remains a chilling testament to the world of the paranormal. So, as the sun sets and darkness creeps in, remember the tale of the Sallie House. Who knows, you might just catch a glimpse of little Sallie, forever trapped in her world of eternal pain and haunting revenge. Until next time, safe travels.